Hello families. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of how to use the Blackboard resources that have been made available to you. They will also have information that is going home in the packets that were mentioned recently in an email sent by the county. And I thought it'd be helpful for us to take a little tour of how to get there and how to access those things if you are not used to using them. So I've started us out on fcps.edu website. I think that's the easiest place to go to get to where you need to be for Blackboard. So from here, you're just going to click up here in FCPS 24/7 Learning. That is Blackboard. So when you click on there, it will prompt you to log in. I have already logged in previously to save some time. Just a reminder, to log in, you're going to use your student ID number and the password your student created at the beginning of the year. If your student has forgotten their password or is not sure what their password is, the easiest way to find it out is to email your teacher, and they will let you know, or they will reset it for you. Another tip that I mentioned before, but that's super important, is that if you log in incorrectly 3 times, your account will be blocked and kind of frozen, so your teacher has to log on and unfreeze your account and reset your password. So that's important to remember. If you get to those 2 times, I would just recommend emailing your teacher before trying again, because the 3rd time it will freeze and your teacher will have to unfreeze it for you. It's simple, it's an easy step, but will save you some time to just recheck for your passwords. And then, of course, your student ID number is your username. So once you're in here, you're going to see a lot of different things. We're just going to focus in these 2 areas. So right here, you're going to see a bunch of different courses listed. Oops. I apologize. Let me get back up. So right here, for example, you can see that Mrs. Valentine, our librarian, has put some things together. So you can click on there and you'll see what the library has posted for us. At any time that you want to go back, just click on My FCPS and it will bring you back. So you've got music and chorus up here. You've got a Blackboard course, and this has a lot of things that are on our news that goes home via email every week, but it's also on here, so that's very helpful. So here's some videos, and then the continuity of learning emails that have gone home, so all of those things. Staff videos for you to enjoy, read alouds, all of these things are all right there. Now when the county emailed you, oh, and one more thing I wanted to mention, the first grade one. So of course, if you're not in first grade, you will have a different web page there for you, but that will be your team's site that will lead you maybe to Google Classroom or whatever that team has decided to use. So again, to get back, we're going to click right up here with My FCPS. And this is where some of the information that the county has been emailing about is located, the continuity of learning, resources, distant learning plan. So of course, I'm going to click over here on elementary resources, and you'll see that all of these resources are here for students to use during this time. And everything is being updated, constantly, as this is an ever-changing time for all of us. So you'll see here, all the different things you can click on, announcements, video learning, and then the grade levels. So I'm going to click on grade 1, and you will see all of these different folders that you can go into to get even more information about all of those different topics. So I'm going to use math as an example. So I'm going to click on math, and here's Blackboard 24/7. That we're on right now. So you've got Orgo, and it has just step-by-step directions for you, at-home math activities. Oops. And then again, remember, to get back, you can either hit grade 1 or My FCPS will bring you to all of those things, but I'm going to stay in grade 1 for just a little bit longer and just show you another example. Let's go over to language arts. Oops. So it's got a bunch of different activities for you to enjoy during all of this time. So you can explore grade 1, or if you have a sibling in another grade, you can of course click on those and it will bring you to all of that information. It's all kind of in this general hub area of the continuity of learning. So again, that's in FCPS Blackboard, easy to log on to. Hopefully this gives you, a little bit of help in how to use Blackboard if it's your first time. But there's a lot of great resources there that are constantly being updated, and more things are being put in by the county. And then, of course, your individualized teachers, that will be somewhere in this area where it says My Courses. Of course, each students will look a little bit different, but this is the general idea of what it looks like. So I hope this was helpful, that you can find some more resources to use while at home. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and hope you find some fun things to learn.